Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. You have read Bhagavad-gita. Sarvajonishu, and all sources of birth. Sarvajonishu, Sambhavanti Murtaya. There are different forms of life, 8,400,000. They are all living entities. But according to karma, they have got different bodies. This is the difference. Just like we have got different dresses, according to my choice. Similarly, we get different bodies according to my choice. This morning we are talking about the sufferers. How is it called? The sea sufferers? Surfers, yes. Surfer. I call sufferers. Sea sufferer. The sea surfer, it is practical. Because we are creating a situation by which we shall become a fish. Yes? Contamination, just like if you purposely contaminate some disease, you must suffer from that disease. Karanam gunasangasya sadasat janma jonishu in the Bhagavad-gita. Why there are different varieties of life? What is the reason? That reason means karan. And Krishna says in the Bhagavad, Karanam gunasangasya sadasat janma jonishu prakriti kriyamanani prakritistopi purusha munjanti tadguna. So, the reason is, as we are infecting, the nature's law is so perfect that if you infect something, some disease, some contamination, then you must suffer. This is nature's law, automatically going on. Karanam gunasangas. So there are three modes of material nature: goodness, passion, and ignorance. So long we are in this material law. Purusha prakritistopi bhunjante tad guna. If we remain in certain place, we must be affected by the modes of that place. So there are three modes, Satagun, Rajagun. We have to associate either with the modes of goodness, or with the modes of passion, or with the modes of ignorance. Now, 3 into 3, it becomes 9. 9 into 9, it becomes 81. So mixture, just like color, there are 3 colors, blue, red and yellow. Now those who are expert in manufacturing called artists, they mix these 3 colors in different way and they display. Similarly, according to the gunas or mixture, association, karanam gunasangasya, we get different types of bodies. Therefore you see so many varieties of bodies. The karanam gunasangasya. So, the person who is taking very much pleasure dancing in the sea like fish, so he is contaminating that modes of nature, so that in next life he will become a fish. He will be very free to dance with you. Now it will take again millions of years to come to this stage of human. Jalajana Mulakani Savara Lamkavinsa. He has to pass through the fish life. There are 900,000 different species of life. Then you again come to the land, you become trees, plants and so on. 2 millions different forms you have to go through, that is evolution. Darwin's theory of evolution, that is not perfectly explained It is explained in the Vedic literature. So just a tree is standing for 10,000 some years. We have to pass through this life. But there is no perfect knowledge. We are thinking that now, very nice American body or Indian body. No. It took so many years to come to this life. Therefore, Shastra says, Labdhya sudullabhamidam bahusam bhavanti. You have got this human form of life after many, many millions of years waiting. So do not misuse it. That is Vedic civilization. Not to misuse the human form of life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,